Jai Gurudev. So on the month of March, I posted 3 videos, and these 3 videos are dedicated for the Karnataka Assembly election. Okay. So in this video, I casted a Prashna chart, 3 different Prashna chart, 3 different days. Okay, one Prashna is casted whether BJP is going to win this election or not, and second Prashna we've casted for the question like whether JDS is going to win this election, or the third question for the Congress party, whether Congress party have a fortune to win this election or not. Okay, so these 3 videos are already posted, and the conclusion of these 3 videos is that Congress have a maximum chance to win this election. Okay, this I have already predicted in the month of March. Okay, so now election is already done. We are waiting for the result. So maybe in next 2 days we will get to know which party is finally winning this election. Okay, so all over the internet, like 90% of astrologers have predicted like BJP is going to win this election, and in television also many channels are showing the exit poll for in the favor of BJP. Okay, but I'm not going to change my predictions. Okay, so my opinion is still same. So as per me, Congress have the maximum chances. So see, no political party is favorite for me. Okay, obviously, uh, I personally like Modi ji. Okay, but for this Karnataka election, being a Jyotishi, okay, we should be neutral when we see the horoscope. Okay, so I'm not in the favor of any party. So this is a duty of every Jyotishi. Like whenever we see any chart, we should be neutral to the situation. Okay, so let's say if I have a favorite party like BJP, okay, so obviously my whole analysis will bend towards in seeing the good things in the BJP Prashna. Okay, so that is not a good thing. So that's why today also I will cross check it one more time. Okay, like election is already done. So I have casted another Prashna, and my Prashna is whether Congress have chance to win this election or not. Okay, why I'm asking for the Congress only, because this Congress question is based on the conclusion of my last 3 Prashna chart, which I casted in the month of March. Okay, so this Prashna details is already on your screen. I casted this Prashna 10 minutes earlier only. Okay, right now it's 8:15, and this Prashna I casted for the 7:48 p.m. 11th of May 2023. Place is Delhi. Okay, now our question is very clear, whether Congress is having chances for this or not, or is there any coalition or any Gadbandhan for Congress. So all these things we can see in this Prashna chart. So this Prashna chart, you can see Lagna is Scorpio Lagna, Vrishika Lagna, and the Lagna Lord Mars is sitting in the 9th house. Okay, in Cancer sign. Cancer sign is we consider as a degradation sign for the Mars. Okay, and but it's a 9th house. Okay, the house of fortune, the house of Bhagya. Okay, for this Lagna. So it's a good, and the important thing is moon itself is affecting its own sign, Cancer. Okay, the moon, the lord of 9th house, is sitting in the 11th house of Parakrama, and that moon is aspecting Mars' own sign. Now, this is something which is actually improving the situation of this Mars in the Cancer sign. So, this is a good thing, good indication for this Prashna. Similarly, if you see this Lagna is not aspected by any planet at all. Okay, and Mars is in the triangle to the Lagna, and Saturn is aspecting Lagna. Okay. Other than Saturn, no planet is aspecting. Now this Saturn is aspecting Lagna from its own sign. Okay. Now the position of Saturn is still good, but this is the most going to Saturn. But the problem is the Lagna Lord Mars and Saturn is together, they will not work comfortably. Okay. Also, this Saturn is aspecting Leo sign 10th house. Now, the 10th house is very important, especially for this kind of political situation, political winning of election. For these things, 4th and 10th house is very important. Okay. Congress is not a ruling party in the state. So obviously we have to assign Congress for the 4th house. Okay, and 10th house is a ruling party. Now they want to achieve this 10th house status. Okay. So that's why the 10th and 4th both are important for us. Now the Saturn is aspecting 10th house as well as Lagna. Okay. So it will show winning, but the thing is Mars position in the Cancer sign and Saturn aspecting Lagna. So this may create trouble. This may create trouble, but ultimately Congress is going to win. This is for sure. Maybe they have to take a support from some party. That can be a situation, but ultimately this party is going to rule the state. Okay, so this Prashna is clearly saying. Also, if you see this Mars, okay, Mars is in Brahmana Amsha, okay, and Lagna in Komala Amsha. Now in D60 level also these both are in the comfortable Drishti Amsha. I'm not seeing any trouble here. If you see the strength of Mars is in Rupa, you can see 5.17. This is also a good status for the Mars, Moon, and even Saturn. All three planets are placed in good strength. So I'm not seeing any malefic possibilities for the for this Prashna. Okay. Although the planet Sun, Jupiter, Rahu, Mercury, especially the Sun in the exalted Sun in the Aries sign, who is the ruler of 10th house in the 6th house, which is the house of enemies and competition, and that Sun is with Rahu. Okay. Jupiter is also present there. Now Jupiter, we don't have any problem with Jupiter, but the Mercury, Rahu with Sun, this can create some trouble. So we will see the close competition between other parties. Okay, but overall, still Congress have a chance. There may be a chance of coalition. There may be a chance of Gathbandhan. Okay, they may take the support from other party, but ultimately Congress is going to win this election. This is my opinion. Okay, so also we all are Jyotishi. I'm just doing my analysis. Everybody else is doing their own analysis. So our and whatever is happening in the future, that all depends upon the God and Mother Nature. So let's see what is in the future. And after result declaration, we can make one more video. Okay, we will see what will happen. So thanks for watching this video. You can give your feedback, whether it's a negative or positive comment. Any kind of comment is welcome. So subscribe our channel, share it. Thank you.